So Samsung is expected to officially announce its next Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic next week. And believe it or not, we already have seen leaked marketing materials and images so that we know what these devices will look like. But what about everything else? So the Galaxy Watch 6 is something will come in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will come in 43mm and 47mm. And this is the model that will have the physical rotating bezel. Both these devices will also come with aluminum body and sapphire bottom. Now, according to leaked information, the two smaller devices, the 40mm and the 43mm, will sport 1.31-inch AMOLED displays. The resolution is also said to be 432 by 432 pixels, 330 ppi or so. The bigger watches, the 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 and 47mm Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, will actually feature a bigger display, 1.47-inch in size, and resolution is going to be 480 by 480, about 372 ppi. Now, if you're wondering how a bigger and a smaller watch have the same displays, well, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, as I said, will have rotating bezel. Now, is there going to be a Pro variant? Well, actually, Samsung is skipping a Pro variant this year. Just like they skipped the Classic variant last year, so they're skipping the Pro variant this year. Maybe next year they're going to introduce the Pro variant and they will skip the Classic. Now, here is one cool important thing. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic will actually come with a different kind of mechanism to attach the bands. Yes, the new Watch 6 series will actually use a new proprietary system, just like Apple has or Google has, where you can actually change the strap by just pressing a button. It's gonna be much more easier, that's for sure. But the third-party options are gonna be really weak in the start of the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. But then again, looking at the renders of the photos of the official marketing materials, it doesn't seem like it has. But there are rumors saying it. So maybe the switch will be somewhere on the strap, I guess. Wear OS 4 is actually going to allow you to switch phones without factory resetting your watch. This is really important. Well, current Samsung One UI 4.5 running on Wear OS 3.5 actually force you to factory reset your smartwatch every single time you change your phone. This is really annoying. Although the software allows you to back up your settings and preferences and everything else, but it's not good. After the Wear OS 4 update, that will be no longer needed. Now, then again, after all these things, there are going to be many more software features that are coming to the Wear OS 4 operating system. Like now you will have material new colors in the whole UI of the Wear OS 4 operating system. While Exynos W930 chipset is actually powering these devices. Is it a big upgrade? Well, probably no, because it only offers 10% performance improvement over the W920 found inside the Watch 4, Watch 5 or even Watch 5 Pro. Now, 16GB of storage option with 2GB of RAM is expected on both of these devices, which is a good upgrade over the 1.5GB present on the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Well, battery is one really important thing for every single smartwatches. In the case of the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, they were good big batteries, but now we are going to get 300 mAh battery for the smaller size Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, and a bigger 425 mAh battery for the larger ones. Now, for reference, the Watch 5 40mm had 284 mAh battery, and the bigger Watch 5 actually had 410 mAh battery. The Watch 5 Pro though had a much bigger battery though, much bigger. So if you're coming from the Watch 4 series, which had a much bigger battery than even Watch 5, that's gonna be a big upgrade. But FCC listing shows that the Galaxy Watch 6 won't actually charge faster than Watch 5 series. So it's still better than what it was on the Watch 4 and 4 Classic because they were really slow. Now, other than that, there are certain improvements as well. The rotating bezel, as I said, on the Watch 6 Classic is made out of stainless steel. Graphite gray, gold and silver colors are for the Galaxy Watch 6 and black and silver for the Classic variant. Now, I mean, we don't really need that much colors, we need more bands. In terms of bands though, the Watch 6, we have already seen the leaked marketing materials, and it shows that we're gonna have the same silicon bands, different colors, slightly muted pale colors, but it's good looking. But the Watch 6 Classic will probably gonna have a leather strap. That's good. Both of these watches will come with the IP68 and 580 water resistant rating, as well as certain type of military standard durability rating. All these watches will also come with the typical things like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, Bluetooth 5.3, heart rate monitor, ECG, blood oxygen monitor, and everything that Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro already offers. Well, the price in the European market is like this. The 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 will start at $319 and $369 for the LTE model, while the bigger one will start at $349 and the LT model will go up to $399. The Watch 6 Classic will start at $419. The LT variant is $469. The bigger Classic model will actually start at $449, will go all the way to $499. Well, are these great prices for these devices? Well, that's up to you to decide. Well, considering the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will still be in the market with all those good things like the bigger battery and better build quality, so now it's really hard to decide which one you should buy if you're waiting for one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.